Bad breath can be from several different factors, but the very first thing we have to consider, because we're not just dentists, we don't just take care of teeth, we're physicians of the mouth. The first thing that we look at is the health history and the medical history. With our training and our experience, we have certain questions that we ask on our health history to make sure that you don't have certain medical conditions in the body that may be leading to your bad breath or a certain odor that you may have. A lot of times, things like diabetes and other problems in the body, we can be the first people to notice those conditions because of the breath that you have, and so we can help guide you along the ways to get treatment for that. Second thing about bad breath is just keeping the tartar and the plaque off your teeth, and that's what the hygienists do so well. They keep all of those cavity-producing germs that also make bad breath and show you how to keep those off your teeth and to keep the breath much fresher. And then we go over hygiene steps that help you, like brushing your tongue and other things that can help reduce the odor that comes from those bacteria.